Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a different video than normal. This is just kind of like a fun video that I thought I'd do. Recently, I don't know who started it, but like this video has been going around about people just mixing every single foundation they've got into a dish and applying it on their face and just seeing how it wears and stuff, and I thought it was a really fun idea, so I thought I would do it today. I'm going to do an actual wear test, so I'm going to obviously apply it on camera now for you, and then I'm going to do like check-ins. I'm going to like, because I've got some things to do today, I'm going to like take my camera and just like do check-ins like throughout the day and see how the foundation wears on my skin. So if you'd like to know how it wears throughout the day, then please keep watching. These are all the foundations I own, just in this big, this is how I store it in my drawers. So I'm literally just going to be putting one pump of all of them, of each one in here, and mix it, and yeah, we're going to see how that looks. I'm going to just put a primer on because I'm just going to do kind of like how I usually do my makeup, so I'm just going to use the No Problem Primer by Touch and Soul. Like I said, I've got my dish and I'm just going to put one pump of each. I'll kind of show you which foundation I'm doing and adding as I go along, but obviously I'm going to speed it up, so yeah. So that is 19 foundations down. I've got my last one. I've got my Dior Forever Skin to add. And oh my god, it's so liquidy, it looks so thick. Okay, so I've added the Dior. Let me just show you, like, it's going to start spilling, but oh my god, look at that. I'll show you if I can. It's like cake mix. The shade, it actually looks pretty alright. All of mine mixed together. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna like get the excess off the end of my brush and just kind of, here it is. It's the moment of truth now. Okay, I'm kind of scared. I know I'm not gonna need everything I've mixed, but I kind of want to see what finish. I feel like it's gonna give a dewy finish because I have more kind of luminous foundations. I only have the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless and the Huda one. They're the only ones that claim to be matte. Oh my god, it's so thick. This is like super, super thick. Okay, so it's very, very thick. I'm gonna just flip over to the other side. Look at that. Ugh. Just cleaned it. Just gonna flip over to the other side now and just like really press it in. This is how much I have left. What a waste, but I really don't need any more. I think we're good. I think we have enough foundation on. Okay, so I'm just gonna add like a tiny, tiny bit of concealer. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution concealers. So I'm using C10. I'm just going to apply that. Literally just that. That's all that's going on. Set my under eyes. So I'm just going to use what I've been using recently, which is just the yellow banana shade from the Wet n Wild contour palette in Caramel Toffee. Okay, I'm not going to set my T-zone in place because I just want to see how the foundation holds up throughout the day. I want to see if any oils peek through or anything like that. As for the rest of the face, I do usually set the rest of my face. I'm just going to use the tiniest bit of my Milani Prep Set and Glow powder. This is what I just use on a daily basis. I'm just going to just do like a tiny bit, literally. I think that's it. This is what the foundation is still looking like at the minute. I'll show you. So it's covered up that breakout I had pretty well because it was quite red as well. And I had some breakouts on my chin and you can't even see them, they're just non-existent. So yeah, brow. Okay, so I'm gonna go now and I'm just gonna go about my day. So by the way, the time now is 2:10, so call it around, you know, it was around 2 o'clock in the afternoon when I put the makeup on. So I'm gonna go do a lot of things and then I will do some check-ins kind of every few hours, and then yeah, we will see the end result probably in the evening, or yeah, or late afternoon / evening. I think we'll do like the end result. So yeah, see you soon. Okay, so it's 4 o'clock now, so it's only been 2 hours pretty much since I've put all the foundation on and everything, and I've been out and I've come back home. I've been out in the wind and the rain, awful weather, and the foundation's still looking pretty good. I haven't added any more foundation, any more powder, nothing. Also, I've got to mention before, I didn't set my face at all, so we're doing good. If I give you a little close up, we're still good. Don't look oily. Like, obviously I didn't set my T-zone like I said, and the skin feels pretty nice actually. I'm gonna get oily though. Like, I can see like the tiniest shine kind of coming through here. Obviously it's only been 2 hours. I don't expect to be oily right now, but it's holding up pretty well. It still feels like, it still feels quite thick on my skin, I'm not gonna lie. And it hasn't caked up around anywhere. I did think it was gonna cake up like here. I'll be back for kind of the final check-in, so. Okay, so this is like my last check-in now. So it's night and I'm literally just going to be taking my makeup off now, so I thought I'd just do like a last check-in to see how the makeup has gone. So it's now 9:30 at night and I put my makeup on at around 2, so I've roughly had my foundation and everything on for like 7.5-ish hours. So it actually still looks pretty alright. I'm still very surprised it hasn't come off anywhere, and I haven't actually got oily hair, which is what I thought was going to happen. Haven't got oily on my forehead anywhere, and I didn't set it. So yeah, it's held up strangely well. It's come off a tiny bit where I have like the breakout, but everywhere else it's still pretty good. It's still fine. So yeah. Only thing I will say, like this is a great angle right here, but like kind of on my forehead, like the tiniest bit, it's just kind of caked up. Apart from that, it was actually pretty good. It was a bit weird, but yeah, it ended up being quite alright. So yeah, that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Remember to give a big thing. Wow, cute angle.